Well, time now 9:04. We want to head into the kitchen because we've got a lot going on this morning, Joe.
My man Jonathan is doubly festive today. First of all, you got the hat on.
Yeah.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
Also, if we take a look at this other hat you got on here.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, friend.
Yeah, I got some indefinite candles going.
Indefinite. Yeah, that's the perfect amount of candles. The indefinite amount of candles. Well, what a big day, man. We're so happy to have you here on New Year's Eve. Always a fun show and always a lot of fun when you're here. And man, you are going to whip up something awesome today. Tell the folks about it.
So we're going to make a whiskey cream sauce. Well, it's going to be a truffle shallot whiskey cream sauce.
Okay.
So, you know, we got to make it extra fancy. And then every year we dry age our own prime ribeye. And that's my birthday gift to myself because it takes, well, we usually dry age them for 40 days. So for 40 days, I sit and wait and just salivate.
At the thought.
I'm gonna share. So I sliced some up just for y'all, and we're gonna share that with y'all.
Man, I'd be more than.
Well, you've had some before.
It's amazing. Can't wait to try that out with this. So tell me about this whiskey truffle shallot cream sauce you're making.
So we're gonna get some shallots going. Shallots are just a very mild. It's basically onion, but it's just a lot better than onion.
A little sweeter?
Yeah, a little sweeter, just a little finer, so it cooks a little faster. So we're gonna get some shallots going. We got some black truffle butter. We're gonna saute that. And then we're gonna add in just a lot of other components, some garlic. We got some Jack Daniels.
Gotta have the whiskey in the whiskey sauce.
Yeah, so, you know, and this is something easy because, you know, some people may have some whiskey at home, but you can make a simple whiskey cream sauce.
Sure. And
add it to your steaks or chicken or whatever while you're at home.
All right, so while you're cutting those up, I guess we gotta ask you any New Year's resolutions.
So I think my New Year's resolution is to just try to make more dry aged steaks.
That's a good one. I appreciate that. Well, I just added to my New Year's resolution to have you on the show more often. We can prepare steak a number of different ways, right?
Every 40 days, I'll be here.
That's a perfect game plan. All right, stick around. We're going to get started on all this and more when we're back in the kitchen with Jonathan and also show you some of the woodwork he's been working on. Some great stuff, Chelsea.
Welcome back to Studio 10. We're with Chef Jonathan with Thrive by Chef Jonathan, and he's making something delicious for the last day of 2021. It's also your birthday.
It's also my birthday.
Happy birthday, friend.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so what you doing?
So now I'm just pouring our whiskey in our pan. And so we're gonna let that cook off. So we're gonna put about a half a cup of whiskey. And then we'll let the alcohol cook off on that, but we got our shallots in there, and they've got brown. We got some garlic butter in there. So once that cooks down, we'll let that kind of cook, and then we'll add our truffle, black truffle butter, and then we'll finish it and bring it all together.
Yum, you guys. If you're wondering what he's making a truffle butter whiskey shallot cream sauce. He also brought some dry aged prime rib. Am I saying that right?
Yes. So
and then a lobster too, right?
Yes, and then we got some lobster.
So what are we doing with the lobster now?
So we just got the lobster split. So all we're gonna do is we're just gonna season it. We're gonna put a little smoked salt on it, put a little garlic, and we're just gonna pan sear it in the pan, just to kind of accent and bring out that dry age.
I just asked Chef Jonathan, I said, where does this even come from? I would never think to do that, but you say you watch a lot of chefs and you get inspired.
Yeah, I watch a lot of chefs, and I just do a lot of research, and you know, honestly, it's weird because like you got all these like TikTok cooks and stuff like that, and some of them are legit. I mean, they do some really cool stuff, and so some things just need to be refined. And so we kind of do that, refine it, add some different ingredients, and boom.
And bam, we have a lot of magic that happens here in the Studio 10 kitchen. Bam. So while we're getting the lobster ready, I want you to talk about 2022. It's going to be a really big year for you. Not only are you cooking, you're a chef, but you're also making equipment to go in the kitchen, and you're also doing something big at the Explorium next week.
Yeah, so we 2022 is going to be pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Because we got like I said, done chef work, and we started doing kitchen supplies, cutting boards, and I mean that's been expanding. So we've been working with a lot of great people with the Grand Hotel and just a lot of different awesome just vendors. Awesome people.
Yeah.
And so we've been doing that, and then next week I'm actually a guest chef at the Explorium with the Cookery Project, but we're doing a mystery style basket cooking competition, and so it's gonna be myself and a lot of other amazing chefs. It's gonna be for us, we'll be working with children, so the children are gonna be cooking with us, and the Explorium, so it's gonna be open. And they're going to have all the exhibits will be open. They're going to have fruit and charcuterie.
Fun.
And it's just going to be just amazing. So you can come see me cook and bring your kids, let them play and watch. It's just going to be awesome.
That's going to be a lot of fun. So we're going to let this cook. If someone's watching maybe a business and they want to get some of your cutting boards, some of your stuff in their stores, how can they contact you about that?
So yeah, so they can go to thrivebychefjonovan.com. If you need custom menus, you can put in requests on my website. You can see all of our products that we sell and just the surplus.
Yeah.
All of our social media is down on there, so you know.
It's cool because when I first met you 3 years ago, you were just focusing on being a chef at the time, and you really have built this empire for yourself. So congratulations
I know,
to
thank you.
For real.
We trying.
We're proud
to
of
make
you.
it happen.
Chef Jonovan's doing big things, and we're just blessed enough to be a part of it. So when we come back with Joe, he's going to finish up this amazing truffle butter sauce, and we're going to show you how he cooks the steak and the lobster next, Joe.
Welcome back into Studio 10. We are sizzling away here with Chef Jonovan. You just added something to your cream sauce here. What did you add?
I did cream.
The cream. We added the cream to the cream sauce.
Yeah, cream. Got to get the money.
So tell, I like that little Wu-Tang reference, right?
Yeah.
Can I do this?
Yeah, you can do that.
All right, so I'm gonna let this cool off for a little bit. So tell the folks what this is if they missed the beginning start of this.
So we have a black truffle shallot whiskey cream sauce. So basically we got some truffle butter, we got some garlic butter, we have some garlic, shallots, heavy cream, and whiskey.
So when you cook with whiskey, you soak in the flavor, right? The alcohol content burns out?
So yeah, the alcohol, so basically you're just getting all the flavor, because what happens is the way they do, they barrel age these whiskeys, so they have a lot of deep flavor.
Yeah.
Some of that caramel flavor, stuff like that.
For sure.
So you cook all the alcohol out, and then you just are left with the flavor. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
And then that dry aged prime ribeye just really sets it off.
That is amazing.
And you just set it up with your lobster tail.
Look at that. That's surf and turf. All right, man. Well, this was fantastic. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it. I'm glad I got to spend it with y'all.
Yeah, we appreciate you being here on your birthday. So your birthday is always New Year's Eve then, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
Doesn't change, huh?
Yeah, it never changes.
So take a look at that. If you want a birthday treat or a New Year's Eve treat, you can find the recipe for this whiskey cream sauce online. It is absolutely phenomenal. Take a look at that finished plate. Bam. So fantastic. Jonovan, you're the man, dude.
Bam, you're the man, you know.
Hey, remember to check out Thrive too, so you can see all of Jonovan's woodwork he's doing. What are you calling it? Your fancy kitchen, what are you saying?
Like,
you
I don't know.
cut
Yeah,
Jonathan's
cutting board.
Yeah.
Charcuterie and stuff.
Check out charcuterie.
We got charcuterie and cutting boards and a lot of kitchen supplies, you know.
Kitchen supplies.
There you go.
Thrive Kitchen Supplies. There you go. You can find it all online. Custom order something that's already on there. Lots of great stuff. That looks amazing. I can't wait to eat more of this. Thanks a lot, buddy.
Yeah, thanks, Joe. I appreciate it.
Like Chef Jonovan did, I literally just went and talked to him about this some more.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to try to recreate this whiskey, shallot, truffle butter, cream sauce for my steak that I'm making on New Year's Day.
Oh, that's tomorrow. So Chef Jonovan, visit his website. Thank you so much, and happy birthday, Chef Jonovan.
Happy birthday. Happy New Year, everybody.